guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course today I'm going to show you how to switch the iPhone 11's camera to the ultra wide lens. And of course this will still apply to the other devices in the series like the Pro and the Pro Max. As you can see here, there's two cameras on the iPhone 11 and the other device there's three. But of course I'm focusing on the main two, which is the regular lens along with the wide angle lens. Now wide angle allows you to fit way more into a single shot, and I'll show you right here now by launching the camera how to switch between both. Now of course if you're not doing this already, it's always a good idea not to hold your phone in portrait mode. The best shots can be taken in landscape mode if you do not know. So I'm just going to turn my phone like this, and of course you can see here in the camera viewfinder you'll see that I can only see so much. Now of course you'll see the 1x here. Once you're on photo, same will apply to video. If you want the wide angle shot, simply tap the 1x and it will switch to 0.5x. Now 0.5x is the wide angle. You can see right now there's way more being fit into the shot. You can actually see stuff the edge of my monitor over there. You can also see the speakers and stuff I have scattered across my desk. If I were to tap it again, 1x, which is the normal lens which is used most of the times. But of course if you want a sweeping landscape shot or to fit way more persons into a frame, simply tap the 1x to the 0.5x, and right away there you go, you will of course have now the sweeping wide angle shot. And that's it for this tutorial. That's how to switch between the regular lens and the wide angle lens. You can go ahead and snap your picture and so on and so forth. Alright guys, same thing applies to video as well. Notice right there, and of course the wide angle. Alright, so this is Ricardo Gardner as usual on Blog Tech Tips, and that's the quick tips showing you how to use the wide angle lens. Bye guys.